Hey guys, are you wanting to buy best wireless headphones? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best wireless headphones are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1. Bose QuietComfort 45. The Bose QuietComfort 45 are a rock-solid pair of noise-canceling headphones. After spending significant time testing them, we think they are one of the best pair of all-rounder headphones in this list. That's because they are easy to use and feel incredibly comfortable to wear for long periods of time. Those are traits that Bose has always been known for, and they continue to live on here. Of course, the QC45 aren't without a few new tricks. Among them are an ambient-aware mode that allows you to hear sounds around you at the press of a button, as well as upgraded noise cancellation tech that's more responsive than before. The Sony WH-1000XM4 and Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700 on this list. Both offer more customization options, better sound, and present a better value for just a little bit more cash. At number 2. Sony WH-1000XM. The best wireless headphones for most people, despite the newer 5MC model. The Sony WH-1000XM headphones deliver excellent noise cancellation and sound quality in a wireless design that we found extremely comfortable and lightweight throughout every step of our testing. The 5 do all of this better, no question, but they also do it for a lot more money, and we think the 4MC are the better balance right now. Usually you're forced to pick between a pair of noise-canceling headphones that do a good job of blocking outside noise, or ones that excel at audio playback. The Sony WH-1000XM headphones are great at both, meaning you don't have to pick, which means they're not water-resistant enough for sweating or even mild rain showers. At number 3. Sony WH-1000XM, the best wireless headphones for active noise cancellation. The Sony WH-1000XM headphones are among the best wireless headphones we've ever tested, but their high price means we think there are better options in some cases. Their predecessors, the Sony WH-1000XM headphones, are at the top of our list because we think the specs and the price will suit anyone looking for a high-end pair of headphones. But these do offer a more lightweight wireless design, new drivers, a whole array of microphones for better call quality, and super fast charging. There's also fire processing for the noise cancellation, which was already good and is now great. We sat next to a colleague in the office with the volume at full, and they didn't hear anything. That's a big improvement over the previous model. At number 4. Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700. The best wireless headphones for Bose fans. The Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700 are an exceptional pair of headphones that we thoroughly enjoyed testing. There are lots of standout features to shout about here, but the best has to be their sophisticated noise cancellation, which is applied when you're listening to music and during calls. When we trailed this feature, we found the call quality to be remarkably clear, even when walking on a busy London street. There are 11 different noise cancellation modes on offer too, so there's something for every potential scenario. The battery life is also 10 hours less despite costing more, which is disappointing. But they are the best wireless headphones for making calls with, when working in a busy and loud office, and for fans of Bose's exceptional quality and design. At number 5. Sony WH-510, the best super cheap wireless headphones. If you like the idea of Sony wireless headphones but don't need a high-priced, high-end set like the Sony WH-1000XM headphones above, then the Sony WH-510 headphones are a much more affordable option, packed with all the features most people will need. Handily, a full charge takes about 4 hours, but you can get about 90 minutes of listening from just 10 minutes charging them from flat. Annoyingly, there's no 3.5mm audio jack for listening if you run out of charge, though. During our testing, we found the Bluetooth connection of these headphones to be rock solid, and while they're not the toughest feeling headphones we've ever tried, they were light, comfortable, and enormously agreeable for all-day wear. So if you're looking for a good all-rounder without paying a lot of money, we'd highly recommend these Sonys. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.